Hey, Alex, guess what? I totally nailed it in class yesterday.
Oh, really? What happened?
We had to talk about yesterday. And because I practiced with you, I was ready. Practice? It really works.
Okay, I'm impressed. So, what's next for you?
Well, tomorrow's the big day. We have to talk about our plans, what we will do. So, it's time to tackle the future tense.
Future tense. That sounds kind of tricky.
Not at all. It's easier than the past tense, actually. Want to practice with me again?
Absolutely. You helped me before, so please help me now.
All right, let's make it fun. I'll tell you about my tomorrow, you listen carefully, and then you tell me yours.
Sounds good. But Amma, is future tense really that easy?
You'll see. Let's just start with the basics. So, in English, there are two main ways to talk about the future: will and going to.
But they both mean the future, right?
Yes, they do, but they feel different. So, will is for sudden decisions or promises, and going to is for plans you've already made.
Can you give me an example?
Of course. Imagine you're thirsty. You say, I will get some water now. That's a sudden decision.
I will get water.
Exactly. Now, here's a plan. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to visit my grandma. You decided this before, so it's a plan.
Oh, so going to is for plans.
Exactly. And there's one more thing. Predictions. Do you know what that means?
Like guessing?
Close. A prediction is when you say something about the future based on what you see or what you know now. Look at those dark clouds. It's going to rain soon.
So going to can also mean we think something will happen.
Right. And here's a promise. Don't worry, Alex. You will pass the test.
I will pass the test.
See? Both will and going to talk about the future, but will is for sudden choices and promises, and going to is for plans and predictions. All right, Alex. So now that we know the rules, let's practice talking about tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to wake up at 7.
I think I'll sleep a bit longer, maybe until 8.
Careful, Alex. If you wake up too late, you won't have time for breakfast.
Won't? That's short for will not, right?
Exactly. People say won't more often than I'm not going to.
So, going to is for plans, and won't is for things I don't plan to do.
Perfect. So if the sun shines, I'm going to run in the park, but if it rains, I won't run.
Positive plan equals going to. Negative plan equals won't. Easy.
After waking up, I'm going to brush my teeth and wash my face.
I'm going to do the same, but maybe a little later.
Don't be lazy, Alex. If you wait too long, You won't feel fresh.
Okay. I won't skip washing my face.
Good. For breakfast, I'm going to eat eggs and bread.
I'm going to drink coffee first.
Careful. Too much coffee isn't good.
All right, I won't drink only coffee. I'll eat a sandwich too.
That's better. A good breakfast gives you energy.
Without food, I won't stay awake in class.
See, another natural use of won't. So, now, after breakfast, I'm going to study in the library.
That's the plan.
But listen, sometimes we use the present continuous for the future.
Present continuous? Like, I am studying now?
Exactly. Usually it's for right now, but if the plan is certain, you can say, I'm studying in the library tomorrow.
Oh, so I'm going to study and I'm studying tomorrow mean almost the same?
Yes, but I'm studying tomorrow feels stronger, like it's already arranged.
Can you give me examples?
Sure. I'm going to visit my cousin tomorrow. And I'm visiting my cousin tomorrow. Both are correct.
The second one sounds like a fixed schedule.
Exactly. Another. She's going to meet her teacher tomorrow. Or she's meeting her teacher tomorrow.
Got it. Going to means plan, and ing means fixed arrangement.
Perfect summary, Alex. Tomorrow at noon, I'm going to meet my friend for lunch.
Me too. Actually, I'm meeting my cousin at noon.
That's a fixed arrangement. You used ing.
I remembered. Going to is for plans. Ing is for arrangements.
If I get too hungry, maybe I will just buy pizza.
That's will. A sudden decision. Wow. So many ways to talk about the future in one lunch.
Exactly. Tomorrow afternoon, our English class starts at 2.
Starts. That's simple present, right?
Yes, for schedules, we use simple present.
Like, the bus leaves at 3 tomorrow.
Perfect. And the teacher always gives a quiz. So you can say, the quiz begins at 2:30.
Class schedules, bus timetables, museum hours, all use simple present. Got it. So tomorrow, class starts at 2, quiz at 2:30, and the bus leaves at 3.
Exactly. Tomorrow evening, I'm going to cook dinner at home.
Nice. I'm meeting my parents at a restaurant at 7.
That's already arranged.
Oh, and the restaurant show starts at 8, right?
Yes, sharp at 8. After dinner, I'm going to read my notes.
I'll study, too. But maybe just a little.
That's a sudden decision. Careful, Alex. If you don't study, you won't be ready for the quiz.
Okay. Promise. I won't play games all night.
Good. After studying, I'm going to watch a short movie.
If you watch a movie, I'll make popcorn.
That's your sudden idea. But remember, we won't stay up too late.
Deal. Tomorrow's busy, so I won't stay awake past midnight. Finally, at 11, I'm going to sleep.
I'm going to bed at the same time. No excuses. Great! Tomorrow evening has it all. Clear plans, fixed arrangements, schedules, sudden choices, and promises. So, remember, going to is for plans, ing is for fixed arrangements, simple present is for schedules, and will or won't are for sudden choices and promises.
Perfect summary, Amma. Tomorrow is ready.